Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can pause the Robot Roomba 405. So if you want to pause your robot, we have to start the cleaning. So just click on the start now. Okay, never mind.
Check that the dock's clean water tank is full and installed correctly.
Okay, we can just switch it to the vacuum only, because I don't have the water in my place. So click on the room, click on the side change, okay, that's mine, okay, and click on the start now. Now if you want to pause, just click on this button or tap on the cancel routine. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.